Hello everyone, welcome back to Craft Journey. In today's video, I'm going to make a simple paper flower using colored tissue papers. First, we need to cut some square shapes from the tissue paper. Here I'm using a red color tissue paper. You can also use few colors for one flower. I'm cutting about 24 squares from the tissue paper. You can cut them separately or you can use this easy method for cutting the squares. While watching the video, please comment your ideas about our craftings and also comment your ideas what our next video should be. Okay, now we have to glue the squares together as I'm doing here. Don't use too much of glue here. Use a small amount of glue as I'm doing. Glue all the 24 squares we cut together like this and let it dry before the next steps. We are sharing many kinds of crafting tutorials in our YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed us yet, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications in the future. Okay, our next step is to draw the flower shape. Here I'm drawing a circle first and then draw any petal shape you like. For this flower I'm drawing half circle type petals, while the orange color flower on the background was done with triangular shaped petals. Alright, let's move to the final step. Here we need to gather the petals like I'm doing here. And after these steps, you will get a beautiful 3D flower. Hope you enjoyed our video today. Give a like, comment your ideas, share with your friends. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications in the future.